Good morning, Miss Reid here. I'm going to talk you through this morning how to access the literacy learning that I've set you. I have sent a reminder through messages to all parents and via the class story on Class Dojo. And I know that Mr. Bardsley has done the same thing for his class, so do just follow the guidance that we have sent and ask any questions if you do need some help. The link that we've shared will take you straight to this page, and each day it will be refreshed with new activities. Along the top will be the activities for this day, and it does say the date, the 5th of May, which is the Tuesday this week. So today we can see that the focus in literacy will be exploring fronted adverbials. So all you need to do is click that link and scroll down the page. Today we will be learning to understand what fronted adverbials are and how to punctuate them correctly. And this daily lesson does include one video to help us understand fronted adverbials with 4 activities. Once you've done the activities, I would like evidence sent to me through the messages on Class Dojo so that I can award you your dojo points. Evidence can be written evidence that you've used a notepad and pencil maybe alongside the videos to help you do the activities, or you can have done the activities on the screen and sent me a screen grab of your screen, or you could have used a Word document and typed up the answers. It doesn't matter to me as long as I can see that you are engaging with the learning as you would be if we were in school. So the first thing we need to do is to watch the short clip.
After all the searching, I'm still missing something.
You're missing your adverbial. Without that, you can't make a fronted adverbial.
A what?
Ouch!
An adverbial tells us more about what happened. So here, the man hammered the rock carefully. The adverbial tells us more about how you hammered the rock carefully.
He wasn't that careful.
A fronted adverbial describes the action at the start of a sentence instead of the end. If my craggy friend here could help a minute. Thank you. Carefully, the man hammered the rock.
Ah, I see. So instead of I hammered the wall earlier today, I hammered the wall. Ha! I've done it! I've discovered the secrets of the fronted adverbial!
Fantastic. Now she's scrolling down to the first activity. An adverbial is a word or phrase that adds more information to a verb. Adverbials are used to explain how, when, or where something happened. For example, Ian ate a banana earlier today. Earlier today is the adverbial, but it's adding extra information about when Ian ate the banana. If we were going to change that into a fronted adverbial, we just need to take the adverbial phrase, earlier today, and put it at the front of the phrase. So it would read, earlier today, Ian ate a banana. This does say that you might need a paper and pen or pencil for some of these activities, so do keep one handy if you've got one. If not, don't worry, you can do them on the computer as best you can. Activity 1. Complete the short activity by highlighting the fronted adverbials. Remember, fronted adverbials are used at the start of the sentence. So, the little mouse here, we need to hover over the finger to click on there to open the activity.
Highlight the fronted adverbials.
Brilliant. It says here at bottom 0 out of 2, which means I've highlighted 0 out of 2 fronted adverbials, which does give you a clue to how many there will be in the text. I'll read it first, then I'll highlight. Earlier, when climbing out of bed, Gollum was sure he saw a man with a hammer walking over the hill. Quietly, he walked down the hill and hid behind a wall. Remember, a fronted adverbial tells you how, when, or where the verb happened. So when the action happened, how did it happen, when did it happen, or where. So I know straight away the fronted adverbial is at the front of the sentence or the phrase. So earlier, when climbing out of bed, Gollum was sure he saw a man with a hammer walking over the hill. Next sentence. Quietly describes how he walked down the hill and hid behind the wall. Just press check the answers.
Smashing! You have found the fronted adverbials.
Fantastic. If you didn't quite get that, you can press start again and do the activity again. There are another 3 activities to do on today's lesson. So I will need evidence of those sending through to me through messages on Dojo. If you need any help, do just send me a message over Dojo or Mr. Bardsley, or you can email us at the Habits email address. which is Year 4 Habits at oasiswatermead.org. I look forward to seeing how you all get on.